When people say they are scared, they should walk in this forest here and understand the nature so that they can understand themselves, because nature will provide you with strength. It will take away all your fear. It will calm you down. That's why nature is so important. Be with animals in the nature. Watch them eat. That will calm you down. Don't take medications to calm yourselves down. Just be in the nature. Take some time every week or so and just walk around in the nature. This will really help you, because nature is everything.